Hey guys, this is video number 2, part of the first one, how to get back to the official Chrome, or how to turn off developer options. Again, before we proceed on this video, be warned, this procedure will erase everything and all data on your machine. Just be warned. Just be warned. Everything in your machine will be deleted on this process, so if you're not sure, do not start it. Well, let's begin. It's going to be a fairly easy procedure. If your laptop is not turned off, just turn it off. Hit the shutdown, and when you open it back up to turn it on, it will be presented with this. OS verification is off. How do we get rid of press space to enable? Well, simply hit that space as it shows there. After that, you hit enter, and OS verification is on. Your system will reboot. While it's rebooting, this is the time that everything on your Chromebook will be deleted. So just so you don't say that, oh, Omni, but you didn't tell us. Well, now I told you. And no, don't look at the button that's missing here. Yes, there's a missing button on mine. But I bought it that way. I just bought it because I wanted to show everybody how to work with these Chromebooks, how to turn on and off the developer options. And maybe some more videos might be down the pipe coming towards you and what to do with these Chromebooks. I am still not in I'm still not there with the installing another OS in this one. Unfortunately, this is not the version with the SSD, and it only has a 32 gig internal memory. That's it. That's all it has. So actually with nothing else, except it has a USB port, an HDMI port, and a SD card reader. That's all it has, so. And then the rest is just you getting started and put in the Wi-Fi, your account, and you will be back to this Chromebook as if it was brand new. Remember, again, before you do any of these procedures, be aware that everything on your Chromebook will be deleted. And yes, this method works for around 95% of the Chromebooks that I'm aware of. I'm still not aware of any Chromebook that does not work on this way. And with that said, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye!
Look at me, I'm